W2S in the Fortnite store. Your mum's a whore.
Yes! Finally! Yeah!
God damn it! I think I'm about to have a heart palpitation!
Oh my god! Oh, I'm shaking!
Oh my god! I forgot to upload my Team of the Year pack opening! Team of the Year! Midfielders are out in packs! I've already packed Team of the Year Mbappe yesterday. Oh my god! Mbappe! Yes! Come on! Oh my god, 97! Suck all your mothers! EA, any minute now, should be releasing some packs. Fingers crossed. Is there lightning rounds? 100k packs! There's 50,000 of them too! So we're bound to get someone. Wait! My god! Oh my god! Wait! Maradona! Oh my god! Wait, please, this prime! 91! Okay! Oh, whoa! It's not his prime! It's not his 95! It's his 91! But we got Maradona! I've broken the bloody bed! But Maradona in my first pack! Holy moly! Alright, cool! Let's open some more! What? Jesus Christ, no! I skipped him! I just skipped Ronaldo! I've just been skipping packs if they're not an icon or a blue, and this is why you don't do that. Why do I pack Ronaldo on the one day of the week he's not Team of the Year? He sells for like 2 mil. I'm half tempted just to sell him for cheap, just so I can open more packs. Alright, there we go. That's a walkout. Oh! Oh! It's another icon! Come on! Put it! Put it! Put it! It's on it! Oh my! No, wait! It's Cruyff! It's Johan Cruyff! 91 Cruyff! Oh my days! Yes! That's our second icon! I was convinced that was Hullet! I forgot Cruyff even existed! But we'll take that! I'm not gonna have any coins left soon! I'm gonna have to add more FIFA points! God help me! Walk out! It's blue! It's blue! Please! Be Ronaldo! Team of the Year Ronaldo! Where am I? Oh please! It's Ramos! Yes! I'll take it! Oh my days! I choked on the confetti! Yes! Sergio Ramos! I've made such a mess! But we got the best Team of the Year defender that you can get! I think? Yeah, and we got Sterling in the pack as well! Nice! I can feel that a Team of the Year Messi, it's coming! Oh, icon! Come on! Striker, Duxx! Please be high rated! 91! Oh my days, yes! We got Kelypso! How's he 91 rated with those stats? We'll take it! I've packed 3 icons so far, and they've all been 91 rated. For some reason, let's get it! Blue! No. Oh, wait, icon! I'll take an icon! English! Centre back! Oh dear. 92! Oh my god! I didn't even know he existed! No, wait, 92 more? Since when? Oh my days, no, look at that! Oh, hang on a minute! Oh god, oh Nelly! This isn't even my room! Come this way, come this way.
Oh bro, I'm not gonna be happy with you, bro. Today I'm not even in the mood.
Unfortunately, I packed more, and I threw my controller, and the... what? Bro!
The Team of the Year, mate! Can you fuck up my wall? You fuck up my wall, you piece of shit!
But who cares? We got more! And 2 informs! And Mahrez! Jesus, what a pack! My wall! Later that week, I continued my pack opening mission. Team of the Year! Come on! Please! Neymar! Oh, no! No! How have you done this? Oh, they tickled my balls. Store him to the club. Oh boy. There's not many of these packs left. Under 700. Come on. We got another one. Yes. Please. Marcelo again. No. Oh my God. Oh. Neymar. Oh. You son of a gun. We got Neymar. I thought it was Marcelo again. Come on, Tree. I don't believe it. That is my best pack on FIFA 19. 97 pace, 95 shooting, the 94 passing, 99 dribbling. That is beautiful. Look at him. 5-star skills, 5-star weak foot, first owner. Oh, that's the pack that I wanted. When I saw the Brazilian flag, I was convinced it was Marcelo, but it's Neymar. I need a drink. Oh, I'm not gonna skip this pack. Whatever it is. It's not a blue or an icon. Oh. Sergio Aguero! Not too shabby. I mean, dab on him. Jeez. I don't even think he's worth the 125k that I spent on the pack, but who cares? Yes! Right, I'm leaving the room. Please. Oh. Come on! I'm not looking! Please! Come on! Mbappe! Yes! Oh my God! That's the second time I've packed him! You beautiful man! Oh my trim! I'm still yet to pack a Team of the Year midfielder. Oh, and an inform in the pack. How many blues am I gonna pack tonight? Please! No! Oh, God damn it! I thought I got Neymar again! I mean, I should be disappointed. That's still sick. But realistically, that's the worst Team of the Year I could have got. Boys, we've got an icon! We've got an icon! Hullet! Barkamp! Prime! What? That's the best. I can't speak. That's the best icon I've packed this year by a mile. Don't mind me, just packing Prime Cruyff. What? I swear he's worth like 4 mil. At this point, I already had one of the greatest pack openings of all time, but I wasn't finished there. Team of the Year, Messi. Walk out. First pack of the day. I'm not gonna look. Please be a Team of the Year or an icon. Oh, it's Hazard. I'll take that. I will fully take that. First pack of the day. That's not bad at all. Oh, and we got Insigne. Let's get it. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Please. Oh my God. No. It's Messi. We've done it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. Can you believe it? Oh, you beautiful man, Messi. You beautiful man! I've been opening packs for days! Oh, my tripod's all over the shop! Who gives a shit? Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot believe I'm saying this, but after thousands of pounds, the hours of opening packs, we've got 99 Messi! Oh, this pack opening! 99 Team of the Year Messi, 94 Prime Cruyff, Ronaldo, Team of the Year Neymar, Maradona, suck all your mothers! Oh my God! Oh. Yes! Let's go! Who is that? Oh, Van Dijk! Yeah! I forgot who it was. Jesus Christ, I'm an idiot! I was like, who's Dutch from the Team of the Year? Well, it's Van Dijk, that's who. Nice! That's a new Team of the Year that we haven't packed before. As you can obviously tell, it's a walkout. Ooh! Team of the Year Ronaldo! Please! I'm not Oh my days! Oh, good heavens! Oh, Skibbity! Skibbito! Give me Ronaldo! Oh! Oh! It's not Ronaldo, but it's Mbappe again! That's the third time I've packed it! Every time I leave the room, I come back and it's Mbappe! Is that icon? Oh, it is! Holy moly! I wasn't even paying attention! But who in God's name is that? 89 Nedved! Nice! You sexy man! There's not many packs left. Ooh! Please! Who's that? Oh! Modric! It's Modric! 99 Modric! You son of a gun! We did it! Wait, how much share that's like that? I didn't realise who it was! 99! Bloody Modric! 90 pace, 94 shooting, 99 passing, 99 dribbling, 94 defending, 90 physical! Are you taking the piss? That is my second 99 rated Team of the Year player. I've completed FIFA, surely. What more do you want from me? What a pack opening! Jesus Christ! I've spent so much money.